Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Dundurn, Saskatchewan is a small town located about 40 kilometers south of Saskatoon, along Highway 11, also known as the Louis-Riel Trail. With a population of just under 700 people, Dundurn serves as both a residential community and a service center for the surrounding rural area. Its proximity to Saskatoon has made it an appealing place for those seeking a quieter pace of life while still remaining close to a major city. The town was established in the early 1900s during the period of rapid settlement across the Canadian prairies. Dundurn became a town in 1966. Its early growth was tied to the expansion of the railway, which provided essential transportation for settlers, goods, and agricultural products. Like many prairie communities, Dundurn attracted immigrants from Europe who came to farm and build new lives in the region. Agriculture has long been the backbone of Dundurn's economy. The surrounding landscape is made up of fertile farmland, where crops such as wheat, canola, and barley are grown. Over the years, farming operations have evolved, becoming larger and more efficient, but agriculture continues to play a central role in the local economy. Dundurn is also closely connected to Canadian military history through the nearby Canadian Forces Base Dundurn. Established in 1926, the base was originally used as a training ground and has played a role in preparing military personnel for decades. During the Second World War, the area saw increased activity as part of the national war effort. Today, the base remains an active training facility, contributing to both the local economy and Canada's military operations. Another notable feature of the area is its proximity to Blackstrap Lake, a man-made reservoir created in 1968. The lake and the surrounding provincial park have become a major recreational destination, drawing visitors for boating, fishing, camping, and other outdoor activities. The surrounding prairie landscape is a defining feature of Dundurn. Wide open fields, long horizons, and expansive skies create a setting that feels both calm and spacious. In the warmer months, the land is alive with growing crops, while winter brings a quieter, more subdued beauty. Today, Dundurn stands as a steady and enduring prairie town with deep agricultural roots and a connection to both history and modern development. Its location, community spirit, and access to nearby natural and recreational areas make it an important part of south-central Saskatchewan. For visitors, it offers a clear and genuine look at life in a small Canadian prairie town. Thanks for watching!